Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you about creating slicer, drop-down and temporary filter with their uses. To create a slicer, go to Data tab and click on Add Slicer. Place the slicer in a desired area. This is the slicer settings pane. Here we can change the range of the data if the data get increases. Here we have to select the column on which slicer has to be created. Slicer has been created on a selected column. Now you can filter the required field. To modify the slicer, go to Customize section. Here you can change the title of the slicer. Title got changed. Here the font. Here font size of that particular title. Here you can change the format of that particular title. Here you can change text color and here background color of the slicer. Slicer is the visual filter which allows you to filter the data easily. Now let's look at the temporary filter. If you use slicer or normal filter on your data, other people using the same sheet may see their view disturbed, and to avoid that, go with the temporary filter. Temporary filter allows you to filter the data just for yourself without disturbing others who are working on the same sheet. Now the next topic is creating drop-down. We will create drop-down for target column. To create the drop-down, select the range, go to Data tab and click on Data Validation. This is the data validation pane. Click on Add Rule. Here we can change drop-down range if the data get increases. In criteria, we have to select drop-down. Now enter the drop-down items one by one. You can see this list of items in this drop-down. You can color the particular item. Also, you can add multiple items from this option. You can see that extra item details in the drop-down list. And if you don't want any of the listed items, you can remove it from this option. Now we will see the advanced options. If you select this option, then this particular drop-down will allow you to enter invalid data. But a small red triangle appears which shows the warning message like this. Just delete this one. Now if you select this particular option, now this drop down will not allow you to enter the invalid data. It will show you pop-up like this. And these three are the display style of the drop down. You can see the changes here. We will go with this option only. This is how you can create slicer, drop down and temporary filter in Google Sheet. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks.